Hi there, my name's Edgar. Salon by Premier Software has the ability to track changes that occur in the system, called the audit log. Through creating your own audit profiles, you can specify which areas of the system you would like to audit, such as a date range or staff. Today, I will show you how to set up an audit profile using Salon. After opening Salon, log into Manager if you're based at a single site, or Administrator if you're based across multiple sites. First, you will need to set up an audit profile to run any audit logs for reporting. So head to the Security menu, click this, then on the next window that appears, click Audit Profiles. Here, click the green plus. You can then enter the name of your new audit profile in the box at the top of the screen. For example, you may want this as Appointment Audit if you'd like to log any appointment booking activities from your team. Using the Audit Group drop-down menu, you can then select the Booking option. When you are happy with all the details, click the green tick to save them. You can then assign audit items to the profile. These will vary depending on what audit group you have selected. Click to highlight the option you would like to track, then click the single right arrow. You can also click the double right arrow to assign all items from the booking section to the profile. Now that you have set up an audit profile, you can set up an audit log. Click the back arrow to head back to the Security menu. Once there, click the Audit Log. You will be presented with a new window. To run an audit of a selected area, you will first need to configure these using all the options shown on the screen. Use the Dates drop-down menu to select a period of time you would like to run the audit for, such as for the last month. You can also run a more customized period using the From box next to this option, selecting a specific date from the calendar that appears, as well as using the drop-down menu next to this to start from a set time from that day. If you wish to run the audit report for a specific client or company, input the name in the Client box and click the magnifying glass. You can then locate the client using the search fields provided. Make sure to set the sites you would like to run the audit report for using the drop-down menu in this section. Select the applicable site from the list of options that appear. The User drop-down menu will enable you to select a user of the software to audit. You can also view all selectable users if you so wish. For multiple specific members, click Selection from the drop-down menu. This will show an additional window where you can assign the staff members you want from the left by clicking them and then the single right arrow. You can also exclude staff from the selection by highlighting them and clicking the single left arrow. Click Close when you are done here. Next, you can select the audit profile you have set up. Click to highlight the predefined audit profile. You can see what items will be run from this profile on the right. If you'd like to add any additional items to the profile for this report, click the Select Audit Items radial and then use the drop-down menu to select the audit group. You can then choose to include any specific areas by highlighting that area in the menu below and clicking the single right arrow. When you are ready, click the green tick. This will produce the audit report based on the parameters you have selected. This will show the time of each change and update made at each PC location. You can then save or print this report as normal. I hope you found this video insightful. To find out more about Salon, make sure to book a free presentation using the link in the description on YouTube or the link in our Instagram profile. You can also visit our website at www.premiersalon.co.uk, contact our sales team on +44 01543 466 580 or email at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. For more Salon how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to us on YouTube and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they are available. We also have several social media networks for you to follow for regular Premier Software content. In the meantime, check out our other helpful videos, and I'll see you next time.